Hi, Aiden. Give me a hug. You gonna give mommy a hug? Oof. Thank you, baby. Here.
Mama, you said you was gonna give me a donut.
Okay, let's go get a donut, okay?
And Mommy, I get chips today because I get
Your
good.
lips dry, Aiden.
Mommy, I got chips today because I get good.
Okay, baby. Hey, y'all. So we in 7-Eleven. And we are getting the bag for her so she can put the donut inside here. So she keep telling me, ooh, wait. Hold on, y'all.
Can this one be mine?
Sure.
I want the messy one.
Okay. You want the red one?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I hold it.
Lift it up.